Oh, hey there. Greetings once again in Wealthy Coin. I mean, holy crap. Before you go out and buy a bunch of Shiba Inu coins, make sure you see this video. Suppress news. A suitable support level for the Shiba Inu price has been elusive for months after its recent spectacular surge. Shib has not established a firm footing despite the recent upswing. There is cause for optimism, though, as the meme coin readies for a potentially explosive swing. We'll be discussing Holy Ship in this video. Learn more about Shiba Inu coins in this video. Talk about the latest developments. Please subscribe to the channel, give it a huge thumbs up, and share the video with your friends. The Shiba Inu is currently selling for a price that is above the market average, 118 cents. Consistently strong backing for over a month. This level was flipped on August 5th, and after some consolidation above it, a 50% upswing was triggered. While the Shiba Inu cost quickly retraced those gains the following days. It closed deals at a premium to the slanted trend line and a premium to 118 cents, the level of horizontal support. By contrast, Shib arrived at this intersection on September 15th, signaling the beginning of a downward trend. A 25% drop in Shiba Inu prices would eliminate the inefficiency between 83 cents and 93 cents. Should the current trend continue, short-term, it will establish a foundation for the long-term bullish play. To counter this, if the Shiba Inu price does a 180 and a daily candlestick closes above then the bullish trend has clearly begun. 118 cents. If the bears breach the barrier, it will show that they are losing strength. If this resistance turns into support, the negative forecast will be rendered null and void. Due to this, the Shiba Inu price may rise to 179 cents before it's ready. Shiba Inu's native cryptocurrency saw a 20% increase in value today, reaching a new intraday high of $1.37. The number of buyers surges as the price of a bounced asset rises. Similarly, as the scheduled launch of Shiba's public beta testnet approaches, time is of the essence. If all goes according to plan, the testnet will go live by the end of the month. Token prices have increased by 87% in the past 30 days, reaching a high of $1.77 earlier this week. As a result, last month's Bowen investors saw their money grow by nearly double. Since July of 2022, the cost of Bowen has been steadily climbing. In a little over a month, it went from 48 cents to $1.10. Before the conclusion of the next week, I would expect Bowen to trade at a price of $2. Due to Bowen's price doubling in the past 3 months, investors have seen massive returns on their capital. According to Unification X Fund, who are developing the Shib RTM Layer 2 network, Bowen will serve as the network's governance token. Layer 2 network documentation will be available next week. According to the company, the Bowen token has a great use case in the Shiba Inu community because it can be used to pay for gas on the Shiba Inu network. However, the official release date for the Shiba Inu network is still unknown. Just this month, the chip team revealed that the launch would occur. It's no surprise that investors are piling into Bowen tokens ahead of the scheduled debut of Shiba Inu. The token's potential utility on the Shiba Inu network has encouraged bullish speculation about its future value. As a result, a price hike would result in higher profits for these financiers. Up until the Shib team publishes the official launch date of the Layer 2 network, Bowen will continue to attract additional buying pressure. Current information suggests the price of Bowen has risen 10.9% in the last 24 hours to $1.37. The price is down from its all-time high of $15.50 established in July 2021. Yet it's still 91.3% below that level. The Shib crew said earlier this month that the total number of Bowen tokens would be capped at 230 million, despite the fact that Bowen's total supply cap remains at $250 million. Shiba Inu validators and gas take up the remaining 20 million. Bowen's price surged last month, making it one of the best performing cryptocurrencies. This increase was fueled, in part, by reports of the cryptocurrency's impending listing on various exchanges. The Shiba Inu, a Japanese breed of hunting dog, serves as the mascot for Shiba Inu, an alternative cryptocurrency based on Ethereum. A straightforward inquiry inspired this undertaking. What would happen if the community behind a coin decided everything? Roshi, the inventor of the cryptocurrency, claims that it was born out of an attempt to foster a community through decentralized, organic means. Yoshi argues that a decentralized group of people can do more than a centralized one. Since the Ethereum blockchain is stable and widely used, Ryoji decided to use it to construct the Shiba Inu ecosystem, which would allow the initiative to maintain its decentralized nature. Meme coins, of which Shiba Inu was the most prominent example recently, saw a rise in popularity. The market experienced a dramatic surge, with some areas seeing gains of 30% or more in a single trading day. Satoshi Kusama, the game's principal developer, said on Twitter that he will soon be discussing additional information about the Shiba Inu Eternal game. The developer has said that he can be contacted through the Shib Discord server to talk about any and all aspects of the future mobile game. Tomorrow night at 9:00, he will interrupt the chat to talk about Eternity, and he pleaded with investors not to miss his impassioned address. Remember to look me up on the Shib Discord server. I need to take a break from the conversation to talk about Shiba forever. Do not miss out on my impassioned speech and breakdown of why I think Shib has bright prospects in the future. Defiant Hell Army. This tweet follows another in which Satoshi avoided providing any new information on Shib's development. To find out more, we must monitor the Shib's Discord server. It is anticipated that the discussion of the Shiba Eternal game will take place on Thursday morning at 9 a.m. Exists on the communication platform Discord. In addition, the mobile version of Eternity is currently in beta testing in Vietnam and Australia, suggesting that it may be published there before anywhere else. Unification X Fund has hinted on its blog that they may deploy the Shiba Inu public beta testnet this month as well. However, the rest of the projects won't see completion until 2023 or later. David Goldstein, founder of Gorenstein Media and a former congressional candidate in the United States, recently offered thanks to the Shiba Inu community for sparking the burn craze in the cryptocurrency industry. Goldstein claims that Shib was the inspiration for the whole burn fad after Shiba Inu fell from its all-time high of 8,616 cents. The abundant maximum supply was held accountable by the public for the low price and subsequent recovery. They pressed the team to permit a token burn in which interested investors might send tokens to an unrecoverable wallet. Worried investors think that if supply was cut, prices would rise. 60 billion tokens have been spent by the Shiba Inu community so far, and the number is continually growing. A price change for Shiba as a result of the token burn effort is improbable right now, especially in the current weak market, but its impact won't be felt until the future. It is more important for the price of ships to recover lost ground, at least 1,800 cents, than it is to make a quick run up to 1,040 cents. Specifically, a Shiba Inu. The price needs to overcome the resistance at the descending channel's middle limit before it can recover from the heavy bearish pressure that is dragging it down. Until the ship rises above the channel, traders will have to factor in the possibility of prices falling below 1,000.